In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose QuickBooks Online subscription plan. We'll walk through where to find the options, how to try them safely, and what each plan is best for so you can pick with confidence. First, head to the QuickBooks website and open the Get Started page. This is the central place where all subscription options are laid out side by side. Take a moment to scan the page and note the plan names and the key features listed under each. Before you choose, think about two things: how many people need access to your books, and whether you need specialized features like inventory or project tracking. Having those answers in mind will make the comparison much easier. If you're just getting started, it's a good idea to begin with the 30-day free trial. This lets you explore the interface, connect a bank account in a test-safe way, and see how the workflows feel without committing right away. Use the trial period to test the features you think you'll use most. Set a reminder near the end of the trial to review what worked and decide whether to continue, upgrade, or switch plans. Now, let's quickly demystify the plans. Simple Start is best for very small businesses, especially sole proprietors or freelancers who want core bookkeeping. It's designed for tracking income and expenses and staying on top of basic financial tasks without extra complexity. Essentials includes everything in Simple Start but adds support for multiple users. Choose this if more than one person needs to access your books, maybe you and a partner or you and your bookkeeper. It's a solid pick when collaboration is important and you want to avoid bottlenecks. Plus, builds on those features with inventory tracking and project income and expense tracking, along with more advanced reporting. If you sell products and want to monitor quantities, costs, and margins, or if you run projects and need to see profitability by job or client, Plus gives you the tools to do that and to report on it in more depth. Advanced is designed for growing businesses that need more automation, more users, and more detailed analytics. If your team is expanding, your workflows are getting more complex, or you need richer insights and controls. Advanced is built to support that scale. Choose the plan that fits your needs today, knowing you can upgrade as your business grows. Start on the Get Started page, try the free trial if you're new, and align your choice with your team size and the features you truly need. That way, you'll get the best value and a smoother accounting experience from day one.